we are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near SM, Robinsons, and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property is priced at 23 million pesos. It has a lot area of 480 square meters, floor area of 419 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, utility room, garden, CCTV, water pump, hybrid solar system, electric fence, swimming pool, and 8-car garage. So first thing naman na notice natin is how wide the frontage of this property is. Nakita nyo naman from there to here. Of course, you have your automated sliding gate, pedestrian gate, and of course, we will notice also we have our security cameras right there and yung ating electric fence for additional security. So let's go in. Entrance pa lang guys, we can see this stucco finish sa wall natin. May mga areas na may greenery and of course more over here. Let's go in. So upon entry, you will be greeted by this porch area right here. Fluted panels sa ating walls. Of course, wooden design din sa ating ceiling. This textured wall right here. And we have more garden space right here. Ito, magandang potential ito if you want more plants. Lagyan natin dyan. Of course, meron tayong water faucet doon. And of course, yung provision for your hose. So before we enter the main living area, I'd like to show you this very spacious 6-car carport right here. Ideal if you have love for cars or gusto mo mag-entertain ng guest, pwede rin dito magpa-party. Of course, we have this billiard table right here. And napansin ko guys na this house has a water filter installed. Centralized siya. And this way is the solar batteries natin because the house is solar powered. Okay? Aquarium right here. And of course, your beautiful swimming pool. Unahin na natin dito. Swimming pool. It's a good size pool. Tira nyo naman, oh. Very wide. Of course, may plants tayo dito. And behind the camera, you will see the staff room. Actually, ito, pwede itong staff room, pwede itong guest room, kasi meron pa siyang second floor dyan. Then, we have the bar area na may sariling sink and bar counter. Balik tayo sa main entrance. Ang lawak dito, oh. Pwede magpa-party, ganyan. Meron pa, no? Okay. Going back to the main entrance, we have this beautiful large wooden door na may electronic lock. Come in. And upon entry, you will be greeted by this L-shaped sectional dito sa ating living area. This is the living area. You have your sofa. You have this console for your television. You have the air conditioning right there and the double height ceiling na talaga namang it makes the area more breathable and spacious. Of course, windows for natural light. Now this is your dining area. Of course, mayroon tayong dining table that seats around 8 people. Pwede pang extend yan to 10. Up to you. Beautiful stucco finish on the wall. Wooden design na PVC sa ating ceiling. And of course, your very nice show kitchen. Ang ganda. You have this countertop right here. Of course, tons of storage around. You have your range hood, your sink na meron na ring water filter, more storage underneath. Yung microwave is hidden under here. And of course, your 2-door refrigerator right here. Very nice. And pag nandito ka, imagine nandito ka, and you're serving your guest or your family, kumbaga, you can have conversation with them habang nagpe-prepare ka ng food dito. Very, very nice. Okay. This area right here is your service area. You have your daily kitchen right here. Meron tayong range dito. We have this sink right here. And of course, these are the provision for your washer. Okay? From this area, may view rin tayo ng ating swimming pool. Yung ating secondary structure dyan sa kabila na multipurpose. Let's go back in. Let's go back in. Okay. One more look. Our kitchen, dining, and living area. Nice. Ang aliwalas ng house. Now, punta tayo sa mga private areas, no? So, to my right here, guys, you will notice na yung hallway natin has their closet space. Pwede ito sa mga linens or dun sa mga things na hindi nyo laging ginagamit. Maganda yan. And we have our bedroom number 1 right here sa ground floor. We have this bed. Of course, nice windows around. And of course, may blinds na rin siya. Then, you have a space right here. You have the vanity here. And of course, your own closet space right here. Also, meron tayong air conditioning. Now, behind this door naman dito sa ating bedroom number 1 is your shared toilet and bath sa ground floor. We have this really nice machuka tile sa wall natin. We have shampoo niche, rainfall shower head, enclosed. Ang shower natin, of course, your toilet and your sink right here. Now, kung nakita nyo, sensor activated yung lights ng stairs natin. Later, we will go to that. Let me show you the master bedroom. Okay. Good thing about this house, the master bedroom is located on the ground floor. So this is ideal for if you don't want to go up and down, o kaya meron tayong elderly, pwede siya dito. Really nice space, of course. Wooden tiling right here, big bed, console right here, your TV will go here. And of course, you have a sliding door that leads to the side of the house. Yan. Meron ka ditong area for your relaxation, sitting area, and may gate na rin siya for additional security. Okay? Now, ang ganda talaga ng stucco finish. Oh. Look at that. Ito textured siya. Really nice. Now, we have this door for our office. So, excuse na lang natin yung mga personal items dito. We have this long desk right here. Of course, drawers. And may shelves tayo dito. So, ito for home office, for study ng mga bata. Very nice. Okay? Now, this is naman the walk-in. Meron tayong pocket door right here. Pagpasok natin, ito yung ating generous amount of storage para sa ating mga outfits and mga clothes, of course. Another pocket door right here for naman our toilet and bath. So we have the sink right here. Sink. We have our shower na enclosed and of course yung ating sink. Spacious siya. Okay? Storage din sa hallway natin. Now, let's go to the second floor. Sensor-activated lights sa ating stairs. Wooden planks ang ginamit dyan. Metal handrail upon mid-landing. Meron tayong very grand na curtain dito sa ating window. Of course, may sensor din tayo pagpababa. Really nice. And upon landing, makikita nyo agad this area which is used currently as a billiard hall. So meron tayong family area dito na May billiard table. Pwede rin ditong seating area, TV area. It's up to you. And meron siyang magandang view, open to below ng ating living area. Really maaliwalas. Okay, to my left, we have a bedroom right here. Good amount of space, windows around. We have the vanity, air conditioning, and of course, your closet space is right here. Nice. Across the room, we have another room. We have the bed right here, of course. We have windows around, vanity, and your closet space right here. Now, dito, between them is the shared bathroom. Okay? Shared bathroom has the beautiful detail ng Machuca tiles. Sa ating wall, we have this rainfall shower head, window for natural light and ventilation. We have our toilet and our sink. Nai-imagine ko rin tong house na to if you want an Airbnb business. Parang ideal din siya for that. Or pwedeng kung magiging primary home yun, maganda rin siya. So it's very versatile, no? So, I think we've covered almost everything. Now let's do the recap. This property is priced at 23 million pesos. It has a lot area of 480 square meters, floor area of 419 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, utility room, garden, CCTV, water pump, hybrid solar system, electric fence, swimming pool, and 8-car garage. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.